Namaskar friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Washing and ironing clothes is one of those chores which I feel no one enjoys. It can be repetitive, tiring and never ending, especially if you don't have the right tools and equipment. In today's video, I will share 8 laundry and ironing essentials other than the washing machine and dryer which can help you make your laundry routine a little easier. Today's video is made in collaboration with Amazon. Now, let's get started. Drying racks are so helpful during each laundry routine. There are many types of clothes drying racks available in the market. This hanging pull and dry rack is a great option to save balcony space. Another one is this portable drying rack with great capacity. It has 2 drying arms on the top and 1 shelf at the bottom. It is quite sturdy and can easily fit in any small balcony. The best part is that it can be easily folded back when not required and takes up very less space. In monsoons, you can easily bring this rack inside the house and dry your clothes under the ceiling fan. This is a quality drying rack from Bathla brand. Next laundry essential which we all need is a good laundry basket, and there is a huge variety available. Recently I tried this recyclable plastic laundry basket from IKEA and I really liked it. It has handles on both the sides, making it very comfortable to carry. It is lightweight and the entire basket is made of soft, flexible material. It is perfect for collecting soiled clothes, transporting damp clothes from the washing machine, or collecting dry clothes for ironing. It can carry up to 15 kgs weight and easily fits in the bathroom cabinet. Besides a good sturdy laundry basket, keeping an additional foldable and waterproof laundry basket at home is a good idea, and this one is perfect for that purpose. The inner layer of this laundry bag is moisture resistant and perfect for dry or wet laundry. You can dump swimming clothes, wet towels, damp kitchen towels, and they stay away from regular clothes. The laundry basket includes 2 sturdy aluminum handles with foam padding, allowing for a comfortable yet firm grip while carrying. The collapsible feature of this laundry bag makes it perfect for travel or home storage for occasional use. Great choice for renters and students living in hostels. Next must-have is laundry mesh bags to wash and protect your delicate clothes. This is a double-layered premium mesh bag set of 5 to wash a variety of delicate items. I have been using mesh bags for years to wash delicate clothes. You can use them to wash socks, masks, etc. so that you don't lose them in the pile. You can wash your delicate t-shirts or tops in the same regular laundry using these mesh bags. And it also comes with 1 wired bag to machine wash wired undergarments safely. Definitely it is a must-have item for your laundry needs. After laundry comes the ironing, and for ironing clothes we need a good ironing board. Even when ironing is outsourced, an iron board can help in the last minute de-wrinkle exercise that we all go through sometimes. One of the best ironing board options for a laundry room is a folding ironing board that can be put away when not in use. The best one I found out is this ironing board from Bathla, and I've already talked about it in my recent video on best home improvement products. The link to that video is given in the description box. It is big, sturdy and comes with an iron cradle on the side which makes your ironing routine very easy and smooth. So definitely it is a great choice. If you do not have much space or looking for an alternative for countertop ironing, then this portable and compact IKEA ironing board is what you need. It is a small ironing board which has foldable legs. It can be placed on the countertop or bed to iron clothes anywhere in the house. As it is very compact, it can be tucked away easily in the cupboard and takes very less space. But as it is very small and lightweight, it may not give you the smoothest of ironing experience. And it does not come with an iron cradle, so you need to place iron on something else. Good for those who need something portable and space saving. For ironing clothes, we need a good iron. Heavy duty steam iron is a perfect choice for all your ironing needs. This is 2200 watts Black Plus Decker cord and cordless steam iron. It can be used with cord like regular iron, and by just unlocking it from here, it becomes the cordless iron. Very convenient if the plug point is little far from the ironing station. The iron has its corded stand which keeps it in a vertical position, hence it is safe from falling while using. This can be used as dry iron, and by putting water in its 350 ml tank, you can choose to use its steam function and steam burst function. You can also choose the intensity of the steam by using the steam lever. The ceramic coated sole plate helps in even heat distribution. It has anti-drip feature to avoid any water dripping from the sole plate in case the steam level is not reached. Although it is on the costlier side, overall it is a good iron with lot of features. But if you do not feel the requirement of cordless feature, then just go with regular steam iron, which you can buy at the half price of it. The last item is an optional but very useful for occasional purposes. Handheld garment steamer. It comes with a removable water tank where you fill water to generate the steam. It lets you smoothen garments without using an ironing board. You need to hang the cloth, stretch the cloth from one hand and use the steamer to de-wrinkle it. It is a great tool to steam iron the clothes on which we can't do the regular iron. Delicate clothes means crepe, chiffon, embroidered with stones and sequences work, formal suits, party wear, etc. It also helps pressing longer items like curtains, fabric blinds, etc. It does not leave steam burns on fabrics. As it is small and lightweight, it is a great help for travelers to de-wrinkle clothes while traveling. But please note that it is only to de-wrinkle the fabrics and occasional steam pressing. Although it is lightweight, this is not convenient for everyday usage as the water tank gets empty within a few minutes and pressing garments vertically up and down tire your arms. So buy it only if required, otherwise steam iron is the best option for all your ironing needs. That was all about this video. Links for all the products shown in the video are given in the description box. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next Saturday. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.